Welcome to the tutorial for Melksham News on how to publish your new blog posts to be featured in different sections within the website. As you can see, we are logged in to the WordPress account. If you hover over the images, you can see it says edit posts here, for example, and scroll down, same here, which means you can edit the posts from this section. So you can make any edits you require. If you wanted it to feature in a different section, say move it out of the slider, you would deselect it here and then select your new category, for example latest news, then click save. So we'll keep that as our special feature, update. So if we went over to our posts, we have our new post here. Make sure first that our image is uploaded by clicking here and try image, so let's feature image. We scroll up. Currently uncategorized, so we need to untick this, scroll down, and then if we want it in the slider, we select special featured stories. In tags, we can select slider, add, nothing else needs to be filled in on this side. Just check here that all your content's okay, no spelling errors. Then simply scroll down here and click publish. You can then view the post. There's our post. We go over to the news here. You can see it's now in the featured image in the slider. We can check very simply which is in the section here, simply by going to more, and you see latest news, special features, featured stories. So if we clicked special featured stories, we can see all the special featured stories which are in the slider. Go into here again, see featured stories, which is in the top section on the right. You can see all those latest news. So that's the end of the tutorial.